everybody, welcome back. This is Unit 4, Periodic Table, Lesson 8. And we're in our notes, I believe it's Section 9. Section 9. So in this section, we're talking about a specific group on the periodic table, and we're talking about the group 1 metals, which include lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So we're talking about all these metals in group 1. Their name, you have to know their name. They are the alkali metals. They have only one valence electron. And so to become stable, they will lose their one valence electron and make ions that have a +1 charge. Because they lose an electron, they become positively charged. It's very easy to take away electrons from them, so they have low ionization energies. And it's easy to take them away because they're not really good at attracting them. So they have low electronegativities also. They are the most reactive group of metals on the whole periodic table. And they're so reactive, you will never find them in nature as elements. You only find them naturally existing as stable compounds. So you find them after they've reacted. Again, everything reacts in order to become stable. If you have one valence electron, like all these guys only have one valence electron, they're not stable. So once they lose that electron, then their next shell is full, and then they're happy, stable ions. They do react with water to make hydrogen gas. And a base. And as you go down the group of metals, they get more reactive. So as you go down, the group reactivity increases. And the members of this group are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Okay. While we're talking about the group 1 metals, it's always wise to talk about the group 2 metals because they're very similar. Group 2 are known as the alkaline earth metals. This is what you're investigating in your lab today and tomorrow. They have 2 valence electrons, and therefore when it's their turn to become stable, they lose both of those electrons and form ions with a +2 charge. They also have low ionization energies and low electronegativities, and they're the second most reactive group of metals on the periodic table. Group 1 is the most reactive. Group 2 is the next most reactive. They also, though, are so reactive, you never find them in nature as elements. They only exist as stable compounds. And like group 1 as well, they also react with water to form the hydrogen gas and a base. And you'll be testing for that in your lab if you have not done so already. Like any group of metals, as you go down the group, they get more reactive. And the members of the alkaline earth family include beryllium, magnesium, calcium, barium. Oh, I skipped one. Strontium. And radium. Okay? You're focused mostly in your lab on these 3, magnesium, calcium, and barium, and what happens to their reactivity with whatever. That's it for today, everybody. Have a great night. Make sure if you did not finish that metal, non-metal packet, that you finish that up and have that ready for Wednesday. We'll be talking about that on Wednesday, okay? Also, the 4th, which is Wednesday, is the first due date for the secret spy periodic table lamp. Have a great night. We'll see you guys.